In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download the Google Sheets app on your mobile phone here on the Android. Now actually, whatever I do here will have the same principle when you are to do it on an iOS device. The main difference is the name of the App Store. In Google or in an Android phone, you call it Play Store, but on an iOS device, it's called an App Store. So what you're going to do is to open or find your Play Store, then tap on it to open. Here I have mine. Then what we're going to do is to search for the Google Sheets app or just a Sheets app. So go to the search here at the bottom, just tap on that. Here it is. We have our search bar at the top. I'm just going to type in Sheets app. Then tap on go or search. And here we have it. So just to make it more accurate, you can also type in Google Sheets app instead of just Sheets app. So here we have Google Sheets and you have that green icon on the left side. Just tap on it. Make sure you are installing the right mobile app for your phone, and it is. So what I'm going to do now is to just tap on install right here. So if you are using an iOS device, it does ask for some verifications if you have set that up on your phone, especially when downloading new apps. So make sure to just allow it. And once it starts downloading, it will install next. So right now it's installing on this phone. And here we have it. So once that's installed, what you're going to do next is just open or tap on open here on the right side. And here we have it. So now we have our Google Sheets app downloaded and open on our mobile phone. Again, all you have to do is go to your Play Store, search for the Sheets app or Google Sheets app, tap on the install button, wait for it to download, and once it's done, you just tap on the open. And here we have it. So that's how easy you can download your Google Sheets app on your mobile phone. Again, that would have the same principle if you were to do it on an iOS device. Also, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.